Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Street Fighter 6 on mobile. While the game isn't directly on phones, you can still enjoy its intense battles. We'll explore the best methods to bring this popular fighting game to your handheld device, ensuring you can practice your combos anywhere. Get ready to learn how to set up your mobile gaming experience for optimal performance and fun. Cloud gaming is your primary method for playing Street Fighter 6 on mobile. Services such as Xbox Cloud Gaming or NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream the full game directly to your device. You'll need a subscription and a robust internet connection, ideally over 20 megabits per second, to minimize lag and ensure smooth gameplay. This brings the console experience right to your fingertips. For the best Street Fighter 6 experience, a physical controller is highly recommended. Connect a Bluetooth controller, such as an Xbox or PlayStation gamepad, to your mobile device. This provides the tactile feedback and precision needed for complex fighting game inputs. Ensure your controller is fully charged and properly paired before launching the game through your chosen cloud service. To optimize your mobile Street Fighter 6 experience, always use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection to minimize latency. Close any unnecessary background applications on your phone to ensure maximum performance. Consider using a phone cooler during extended sessions to prevent overheating. With these adjustments and consistent practice, you will master your favorite characters on the go.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.